Okay guys, let's continue with the day 3. Today we will learn about weather app integration and the Telegram. First we need to set the schedule trigger. Let's put here. Okay, 1 p.m. Add rule. No. Execute. Good. Okay, the schedule trigger we have. Okay, this we don't need. Only this one I am. Let's remain like this. Okay. Next step will be the AccuWeather API type. HTTP request. Here the method will remain get. The URL from AccuWeather will be this. Data service dot AccuWeather.com / current conditions / v1 / location. Okay, that's it. Put the URL. Good. Okay, you need to make an account on the AccuWeather application for this. So because of that, you need to go to AccuWeather API, and I already created one named Vremea. Okay, so on the details you will need put API products core weather limited trialed. Where will be the API be used other? What will you be creating with this API? Internal application, JavaScript on the programming language. There will be business to customer, will grade to worldwide, and country United States. Okay, and here we have the key, and this key we will put here. This is the API key from our application. Okay. Good. Settings. Stop workflow. Okay. Parameter. Perfect. Good. We have get. Okay. Authentication here. So we have this URL and the generic credential type. Generic authentication will put query authentication, and the query authentication account I already have one because I made it, and here we will put the API from here. This API key is this. Okay, save. We save it. Okay, no thanks. Good job. The location here, how you find the location. I will show you how you to find the location. The location means the city. So we'll have this. data service point AccuWeather.com. Okay, /location /v1 cities search and API key equal with this. Let's see. Something I typed wrong. API authorization fail. That means this is not our API, but this is the API. Oh, I forget an G. Okay. This is, and you have the key 290. This will put here. And execute. Let's execute. Problem. Invalid URL. Why? Current condition. Why don't work? Data self equating current condition. /v1. Why is the invalid URL? Let's put it here again. Save. Okay, no thanks. Execute. Still. Let's put HTTP. HTTP data service here. Oh, that we need a HTTP also. Okay, so you have this right now. The data weather and the schedule trigger. Let's see the next step now. Okay, next step will be another node that will be the set node. Let's put the set node. Set. Okay, also again manual mapping, and here we type today in Timișoara. Here will remain the message, sorry. At the value we'll put expression, and let's type today in Timișoara. It is dollar JSON. Okay, temperature, good. Metric and value you need also. Metric and value. Okay, what is not good? JSON temperature. Let's see. Okay, I put expression I put. Okay, JSON temperature metric value, all good. Okay, Celsius. Point. Use JSON, temperature, metric, and value. Oh, I forget to put the value. Okay. And now let's see. Weather also JSON and the weather text. Weather text. Okay, point. Good, execute. Okay, let's see. Let's put this. Let's execute the workflow. And now it's all good. Okay, let's continue. We want also this to be on Telegram also. Now we see today in Timișoara how many grades Celsius they are. And the weather is cloudy. Okay. Let's set also the Telegram node. Telegram. Send a message. We need the node, send a text message. Okay. Telegram account. Chat ID from the day before. 911-77-4835. And text will be $JSON okay message. Our text, execute. Okay, let's put also this. Perfect. And now let's connect all the nodes. Drag here, execute. Execute step. Let's see what the problem is. Okay, with N910 we need also the append. Reset the message with the N910 attribution. This message was sent automatically with N910. Execute now. Okay, I received the message on my Telegram. Save the workflow. Execute. All is perfect now. So we have our workflow perfectly now. I received the message on my Telegram today in Timișoara. It's the weather, cloudy, and also what's the Celsius in grades. You can see also here. This is the message I received on my Telegram. Okay guys, thank you for your attention and see you on the next video. Bye bye.